Bright skin is just a few drops away. Let's make a turmeric toner using rose water. In your clean bowl, add 2 tablespoons of rose water. Add a pinch of turmeric powder to the rose water. Mix all together. Get a clean spray bottle and pour the mixture into the spray bottle. Spray on the face or apply with cotton. Brightens dull skin, helps with dark spots and tones the skin naturally. Use daily after cleansing your face. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips.